my meat and my flour. So you mix your 2 cups of flour in that bowl, and then you take your spoon and you just mix so that your meat is totally covered with your onions, and you have your extra flour in there, and your hot oil is hot in the pan. Once that's hot, and you can start to put in your flour and your meat, and it should kind of sizzle a little bit so you know it's hot enough. And you're going to keep putting in your meat mixture with your flour, and you want to stir that as it cooks and bubbles. And your flour should mix in with the oil and make a smooth mixture. And it should be a little thick, and that's what's going to make your beef stroganoff have a nice thick gravy. Now you want your meat to brown a little bit. And I think that's enough flour. So I did leave some of my flour in my bowl because I mixed this, and I think this is enough. So you should have your flour mixture should be a smooth consistency with your meat. You want to leave your heat up a little bit high. What you want to happen is your meat should brown a little bit. So once you have your meat browned a little bit, you're just going to dump in your beef broth. Now this is going to cook for a long time, so your meat doesn't have to be completely cooked in here. It just needs to be a little bit brown in that mixture. Okay. All right, and then we're going to dump in I use 32 ounces of just a plain beef broth. And we're going to put that all in there. When it's bubbling a little bit, put the entire 32 ounces in there. And then I'm going to put anywhere from 8 to 12 ounces of water. Okay. And then you're going to stir that mixture till it all mixes together and becomes a little bit light. You shouldn't have any flour floating around in there.